You guessed it, warm weather. Temperatures in the 70s for the remainder of the week, even New Year's Eve during the Cotton Bowl. Luckily, it is climate controlled, right? Our temperature climbs to about 72 degrees right around kickoff. So if you are maybe tailgating ahead of time, it's not looking too bad. But during the game, we might start to see some rain. Rain looking more likely for New Year's Eve overnight into Saturday morning before a major cool down this weekend. But yeah, it's warm out there right now to start the day. A temperature of 65 degrees in Dallas. It's looking cloudy. It's a little drier now. That dry air is pushing a lot of this rain out, helping visibility increase across the area. This afternoon, it continues to clear. Temperature of about 75 degrees in Dallas, 77 in Fort Worth, about 72 in Denton and in McKinney. But I got to tell you, this rain certainly helping us out in terms of our drought situation. I know we've been in a rain deficit since the beginning of December by about 2 inches. This helping, we didn't pick up too much, about a trace across the DFW area. This rain does continue to progress towards the north and east, and it's already clearing along I-35. It continues to work its way east, and as it does, it'll tap into some unstable air and provide for severe weather across portions of northern Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. Those locations under an enhanced risk for severe weather. Later today, we are out of the severe weather threat. But looking ahead here towards Friday, I told you we have those rain chances going up. Friday night, so New Year's Eve, we have about a 60% coverage of rain, 20% coverage of rain by Saturday morning, followed by a big cool down Saturday night into Sunday morning. I think by the time that cold air gets here, we'll be completely dry. But as far as the rain goes, some of our area under a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a level 1 out of 5, so it's a low end threat for the potential of severe weather. The more north and east you are, say Paris, Clarksville, Texarkana, under a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5 for the strong to severe thunderstorm likelihood. As far as the main concern, we're looking at gusty winds, locally heavy rainfall as the main threat as that line pushes through. Here's what some models are indicating right now. This is showing you Friday at around 6 in the afternoon. We start to see the rain across portions of Wichita Falls. It really skims portions of the Red River. See how it kind of takes a shape there, kind of a line pushing through. This is as we approach midnight on Friday, and it continues to progress towards the north and east. Then that cold air gets here, that push of cold air Saturday evening into Sunday morning. I think it'll be way too dry for us to pick up on any precipitation Saturday night into Sunday as those temperatures drop into the 20s range, wind chills in the teens for some. And again, rain coverage looking to be somewhere between 60% coverage Friday night into Saturday morning, and then we dry out Sunday and Monday. As far as how much rain we could pick up, anywhere between a quarter to about half an inch of rain looking likely around the Metroplex. The more north and east you are, the higher the rain totals will be in the next 7 days. Paris, Clarksville, Sulphur Springs towards Texarkana, anywhere between half an inch to 1 inch of rainfall looking a bit more likely. And if you are in our western counties, we're going to see less than a quarter inch of rain. So again, the more east you are, the more available moisture there'll be for a bigger rain potential. 75 degrees today. Once this cloud cover clears, we should see that cloud cover clear. We'll see a few rays of sunshine this afternoon. Temperature of 75. Tomorrow morning, it's going to feel noticeably cooler. A temperature of about 50 degrees by Thursday morning. We warm into the low 70s Thursday and Friday. And then on Saturday, it's going to start out a little cloudy. 65 degrees. Big cool down Sunday into Monday. That's going to be a big talker for us. Temperatures in the upper 20s. But of course, we have to be weather aware Friday afternoon as some strong storms could be possible along our northern counties. Suzanne.